I bet you didn't know how easy it is to start freelancing as a student. Today, we are diving into the world of freelancing for students. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash, gain valuable experience, or simply become financially independent, freelancing offers endless opportunities. Let's explore how you can turn your skills into a profitable venture. I bet you didn't know you could exchange those nasty hours of reading for a well-paid employment in the internet. Sounds dreamlike? Well, it's not far from the truth. Possessing the required know-how and a little bit of motivation, you can easily turn your laptop into a fortune. In the frenetic virtual world filled with algorithms and pixels, students have the chance to blend their creativity, intelligence, and willingness into one thing. In today's technologically dominated world, earning money by working online is no longer a dream, but a reality, especially for students. There are countless prospects for hours of able-bodied spare time that need not interfere with their education to be earned on the web. If you wish to pay for your education, recruit for future investments, or simply want to be free of financial dependence, the internet has more than enough options for you. But how do you go about it? You need to hear this if you're a student looking to earn money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing. You need to watch this if you struggle with identifying your marketable skills. Step 1. Identify your marketable skills. Assess your strengths. List out skills you possess that are in demand, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management. Research platforms. Choose a freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer that aligns with your skill set. Are you struggling to stand out in the crowded online marketplace? Step 2. Create a compelling profile. Build your profile by crafting a professional headline, writing a detailed bio, and listing your relevant experience. Showcase your work by uploading samples or creating a portfolio to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients. Am I the only one that didn't know how to set competitive rates as a freelancer? You need to watch this if you struggle with pricing your services. Research pricing. Look at what other freelancers in your niche are charging to set a competitive rate. Start low, then grow. Consider starting with lower rates to build your reputation and increase them as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Are you struggling to find online jobs as a student? Step 4. Apply for relevant jobs. Search and apply. Regularly browse and apply for jobs that match your skills. Tailor each application with a personalized proposal. Communicate clearly. Once hired, maintain clear communication with the client to ensure you understand their needs and can deliver on time. I don't think people understand the importance of delivering quality work and getting paid. Step 5. Deliver quality work and get paid. Focus on quality. Ensure you deliver high-quality work on or before the deadline to satisfy your client. Secure payment. Use the platform's payment system or a secure method like PayPal to receive your earnings. Request feedback to build your profile. Conclusion. What's something people don't know about the endless opportunities for students to earn money online? The journey to earning online as a student is filled with possibilities. And with the right approach, you can achieve both financial independence and valuable experience. We've covered practical steps and insights to get you started, but if you still have questions or need more guidance, I've got you covered. Just watch the next video linked on the end screen and it will clear up any remaining doubts you might have. See you there.